Oh my god, net. This is a 7.
All my fish today are down.
Oh yeah?
Oh, I just got a bite. Oh dang. Oh dang.
Yeah, I'm throwing. Oh dang.
Oh dang.
Oh dang.
Oh dang.
You guys still try to... Oh, I had a follower. He has a friend with him.
Oh dang.
So do you want to... No help?
Oh, no. Okay, he's like, maybe, he could be. Oh, he's under the log.
Got you.
He's under the log.
Got you.
He's under the log and I'm...
I don't know how to get him out. He got you snagged, didn't he?
Yeah. No, he's still on.
I can't get in that.
Oh, he put himself out.
Okay. Get him over here.
Miles, get over here.
Dude, it's too freaking deep over here. There's too much grass. Like,
Right,
I can't land him through this.
Dude.
I can't land him through this. This is too thick.
Oh, I don't know how big he is. He's big though.
Okay, get him this way. He got you all wrapped up, didn't he?
Alright.
God, you're done.
How big?
Oh, look at the hook set. Perfect. Barely hooked. Here, I'll hold him and figure out.
Maybe because,
like a 4.
I'm not gonna weigh him.
You sure?
Yeah, I'm getting attacked by
He just, look what just came off. Will you take your fish?
Do you kiss him for me?
Okay, hold him up. We're doing this now. Tough. He looks.
This thing is like powerful. Wow, this may be the most powerful thing ever.
Oh yeah. Let's just get it to where we can coast down this bank. You know how to do that? Hey, freaking.
Okay. Give me a second.
I know how to use it if you need help.
I'm using it right. Holy cow. This thing you gotta like. Now I'm casting just far enough.
Okay, Sam.
I can cast pretty far with this thing. I wish they didn't. They quite the
Tell your mom to get over here and grab them. Okay.
I don't want to catch a bluegill.
No, yours are the big ones though.
Nah, she's busy.
Gay.
She was hesitant to let us.
Oh my god, net. This is a 7. Oh my god. No, wait. Chill. I got him, net him. Wait. No, wait. Get him in. Oh my god.
Dude, that was hard to get.
That was, oh, okay, it's not that.
Not a 7. Probably, it could be a 5, honestly.
Oh my god. Yeah, picture please.
Dude, that was...
If we go into the bank, I'm sorry. Here.
Just turn it off. Get a quick
Hold up. Wait. Do they look big?
Yeah, he actually looks like a monster. That was a great picture.
Good. Scale top left or bottom right pocket on your side. Bottom pocket on your side. This is
It's not on this pocket.
It is.
I know for a fact it's not because I can see it.
Well, then my scale's not in there. Oh, wrong side. Yeah, that's my bad. It's in there. Other side, the zipper.
Hey, your scale's on this side.
Yeah, I know. I got really scared because I didn't think my scale was in there.
You're like, rock. You told me that rock. Is it bad if I throw that? Should I throw that underspin?
No.
That white underspin or a white chatterbait?
White chatterbait.
Actually, I'm gonna stick with my chatterbait. If I don't catch any more fish anymore. What is it?
I don't know. It won't weigh.
Oh, is that a good net job? Or...
No, you scared me because I thought you were gonna hit the lure and pop it out. Hello? Are you gonna work?
So it scared you?
Yes, you scared me very badly.
Sorry, I'm kind of breathing. Dude, this thing.
You're joking.
What?
313.
All that for a 313? Come on, Miles.
That's what I'm saying.
I expected better of you.
That's what I'm saying. Okay. Okay, little big guy. God, that was so risky.
Alright, he's sitting right there.
Oh.
You literally would have.
I was not.
Oh,
What?
he's bleeding.
Okay, well, hurry up.
Doing what he's like supposedly really good at. He didn't want to.
Junior who doesn't start on JV.
I know. I thought he was a sophomore. I was giving him a legion. Now he's a junior? Yeah, that's kind of sad. Then he's flexing his faster than me. I'm like, I was poking. He's like, I run a 4.6 buddy. He's like, yeah, that's fast. And also, out. Fish?
Yep. 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 He's trying to get himself under the boat. Oh, yep. Yeah. Yeah. Get the net. We don't got all day, brother.
It's caught. It's caught. Not even joking. It's caught.
So that was the stupidest thing I've ever done in my life.
Miles, the net's caught.
This might be my PB. Why would you ever make me do that?
Miles, what do you want me to do?
Throw your rod in the water. Your friend has a fish on. We're not friends anymore. You're not invited to my birthday.
I nutted him.
4-0.
You didn't need it. Like rain man.
Picture, please. I need a thumbnail.
No, you don't.
Yes, I do.
Gave you a picture.
No, take a picture. I want him. This is bigger. I need a thumbnail.
Alright, give me some.
Here, I'll make it to where you can fish if you get a picture.
Give me a second. I'm back.
Oh my God!
What? Is he biting?
No! He's gonna die.
You almost broke your rod.
Yeah, I know, because you wouldn't net, Cooper.
I tried.
Actually, take a picture though. I want to get this fish back. Did he look decent?
I was trying to get to it.
I almost just killed him. I just set him into the trolling motor.
All I have to do is look.
You need some more already.
Dude, they don't like. It's kind of harder to catch bluegill when you're trying to catch bluegill.
Oh, I missed one.
Dude, I literally caught a fish without doing it. I'm kind of just because it was so cool. It hooks at itself though.
Yeah. If that hook wasn't so big, you would have caught it.
If it was a treble hook, it would have been insane.
Yeah. That would have been so hard to unhook though. Oh, this is a cool looking one. What the heck? This is a pumpkin seed.
How did you catch it? I didn't. Dude, they're just like, just a couple of them and then all of them. Literally, it's just a couple and then every single one just explodes.
Because they're like, a couple of them go like, look at that freaking toad. Show you. Because like the stupid ones go to see if it's real. Oh, I missed one.
I can just fish it like this and it'll work.
And they're gone.
The Koiki's where it's at.
Yeah, the Koiki draws them in. This catches them.
Well, because they actually hit it. They're just hitting. They're just missing it.
Yeah, because look how small this thing is.
Yeah, so they actually have to use it.
Dude, I will live bait you.
I keep thinking you're talking to me.
Yeah, Cooper, you're gonna be live bait, okay? Down on the coast of Jamaica.
Probably catch something.
I need pliers, not even gonna lie. Okay, you get to be free, my friend. Go unhook yourself.
I'm having a problem getting them hooked on. You're having a problem getting them off.
Oh, there's pliers right there. Okay. I actually got a reel now. This is the wrong hand for me. So.
Oh wait, I forgot. I can still hook set.
God. Trying to kill it?
How are you hook setting?
I'm literally just raising up. See you, cutie.
You'll see them all come after it.
I just threw one on it.
He eats it.
That hungry of a fish. Oh, I already got one. Okay, we set it under the dock. That's where they all hang out.
Can I use yours? You use mine?
No. That ain't fair. Look, just set it right there.
Oh, I'm having luck out here.
They're just holding on to it. They know. They know what the drill is. Oh, this is a toad.
He's been eating.
You can tell why the dock is this guy's favorite place.
Was. Killed him. You just box like it off the dock.
Look at the freaking... I hate you.
Literally.
He had had shoulders on him, like he was so fat. And I was trying to show that to you, and then he just freaking jumped out of my hand.
Dude, let me get it. Here.
Okay, well that one didn't count.
The quickie works.
The quickie draws them in. This catches them.
Yeah, like I just got hit again.
Okay. Look at the color.
Dude,
That doesn't count.
Yes, it does.
I gotta hold him. I'm fly fishing this. Dude, they're literally not even eating it. Just sucking on it. Oh, another pumpkin seed.
Alright, my turn.
Okay, if you unhook it.
Dude, literally unhooking it right now. Come on, lip it.
Ow. That one has like sharp teeth like a bass.
Really?
That was an accident, I swear. Get.
You're a jerk. Alright, my turn.
Take it.
You said it's my turn.
So then take the rod.
Oh. I didn't know that's what you were asking me to do. I don't think it was it?
It was.
If I start missing it on this one.
If you miss a fish, dude. Here, I'm gonna skip this quickie under the dock and catch one.
Dude, that's so easy.
Yeah, I know.
You just lift up.
Look at the imprint on the boat.
Oh.
Great job. Is it?
Got hurt. Holy cow.
Yo, be nice to the fish. Is there any other bluegill rods? Oh, there is.
Dude, how'd you think?
Yeah. Yeah, buddy.
Alright, I'm gonna catch it left-handed. Dude, the second you feel it, it's so easy because you just lift up and you catch it. Guaranteed.
Is there another? Here, I need to see something.
Oh yeah. He just did a bunch of circles.
Hey, keep catching fish. Dude, every time we come out here for a prolonged amount of time.
There's never bass fishing.
Huh?
We come out here for too long.
Oh yeah, we're always screwing around.
Dude, they're like...
Huh? Cooper, you wanna know what the magic bait is? Look, it's this right here. See the chunk I took out? All I'm doing, so just catch a bunch of fish on your soft plastics and then you got bluegill bait.
Ow! Spiked me. Get off it. Get off it.
Whoa, whoa. Hey, be nice to the fish. That's actually a huge bluegill though.
I can't get him off. And he spiked me, so I threw him back in the water. You know what I'm saying?
Sure.
Spiked me. Yeah. Alright, you're gonna have to just probably die.
Let's not kill the fish.
So we need to take out fish.
Oh yeah, here's the rig. I'm throwing exactly what you're throwing, but on a catfish rod. It might be too big. It's definitely too big.
Oh, this is like tearing up the grip. Dude, that was the hardest thing ever.
And now we're all tangled.
I wasn't finished. Look, all you have to do
Oh.
is pull. Whoa, oh, I missed it again. Never done that again. Right on the food. They don't even get a choice, they have to eat it.
I'm fishing in your spot.
Take my spot, dude. This trout fishing like this is insane. Oh, I weed the fish.
Bro, the hook's too big. I don't have any little hooks, do you?
There's like 8 sitting right there.
Yeah, see? They just tangled me. They just tangled us. You saw that was the fish, right?
Yes.
Did you just pump fake?
I was trying to get. I was not gonna try getting all of it.
So when we were this weekend, we were swimming, and Maverick was trying to throw Mason's Crocs in the water, and he learned how to pump fake. He pump faked Mason like 8 times, and then threw his Croc in the water, and then he went back and threw the other one.
Did Mason get mad?
No, Mason thought it was funny.
Did Mason bite on the pump fakes
Yes.
every time?
Like the first 2, and then Maverick just like crossed
Holy
direction.
cow. Wait. Oh,
Okay.
that's actually kind of funny.
What? Murdering a fish is funny?
Yeah. Wait, does this one have spikes on it?
Yes, all blue will have spikes. Bro, I'm hooked in my armpit. You're a feisty little guy.
Dude, their lips are smaller.
You good? Crap. Master's here. Well, how am I gonna get home? Cooper, let's just pretend like we didn't see her and let's keep catching fish. Huh? You're trying to go home.
Yeah, I'm trying to go eat.
Okay, let me catch one more.
Here you go.
Oh, that's actually. We gotta teach Jeff how to catch bass. Okay. Just get the lid on that, or not. Ah, one last fish. Crap. Crap. Oh yes, Cooper, I caught my PB.